R.C. Rogers Company LLC has been honored to serve Cambridge and the surrounding area for more than a decade. We are proud to be the leading provider of HVAC installation, repair, and replacement for residences and builders. Here at R.C. Rogers Company LLC, we have built our reputation as a reliable community business by providing unrivaled customer service and making customer satisfaction our highest priority. Our team is always available for emergency service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can count on us. If you need a residential and commercial HVAC contractor, R.C. Rogers Company is Cambridge, Ohio's leading residential and commercial heating, cooling, and electrical company. Our team of certified experts are always here to help you with any project, large or small. Since 2004, R.C. Rogers has been serving Guernsey County with the best in air quality, furnace, and air conditioning services and products. Financing options are available.